Hi, I'm Eamonn Rogers. I'm the Sales Director for MD&A, covering Europe, Middle East and Africa, and I'm your MD&A expert. In Europe and the Middle East, power generation customers are having to change their operating profile due to the advent of more renewables on the grid. As a result, they are looking for new partners who can provide quality and expertise for their gas and steam turbines. MD&A provides excellent new part and repair technology for V94.3 and F-class technology. That, coupled with over 30 years of experience on large steam turbines, we can provide a full turnkey offering for all your power plant needs. So recently we've been very successful selling new GE steam turbine components. Also in the region we've had successes with F-class and V94 repairs and new parts on gas turbine hot sections. And we also have an excellent fix for compressor vane pinning on FA class turbines. My favorite saying is, make the most of every day.